Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have to do something that is a pain in the neck. It's paying my registration. And I don't know how many of you guys have these Ferrari 360s, but my registration is a total of $646. I live in the state of California. It's always going to be high. However, when I first bought the car, it actually was like 9 something. So it is going down a little bit. But this year I have to get it smogged, and it is not only another pain in the neck step that I have to do, but with my particular car, it is a rigmarole every time. Man, it's very overcast today. It still looks pretty nice. Got all the trees. So I don't know if you guys know this about the Ferrari 360, but the blinkers are a little different. Kind of like a motorcycle. Check this out. Basically, when you put on the left or the right blinker, both of these come on, and you're just kind of assuming that it's working. Now, the funny thing is, it's actually very easy for this car to pass the smog, but because this particular car has some weird issue with my VIN number, every time I get it smogged, it doesn't match up to what the DMV has sent me, and then I have to go to the DMV, get a VIN verification check, bring the paperwork back to the smog shop, they sign off on it, and then I'm good. It's usually like a 2-week process, and I am just not looking forward to it. So today I'm actually bringing my paperwork from the last time, hoping that maybe, that'll work or something. I'm also gonna not have them scan it and manually enter it in. So we'll see. Basically the problem is, when they scan my door, where the VIN number is, Ferrari, for some reason, says a 0 is a O, or vice versa, or something, and it just doesn't match up. So lame. But anyways, let's hope that gets squared away. I like going to this one particular smog shop in Sacramento, California, and they've always been like great customer service. They let me pull in the car and, open it up and everything. Very respectful of the car. So we will see. They open in about 5 minutes, so I hope that I can get this done quickly. And it's the day before Thanksgiving. I got a turkey to cook. Oh. Here we go, driving the car into the bay. Is that good? All right, I just finished up at the smog place, and lots of great news. I passed, and I don't have to go to the DMV because they accepted my old VIN verification paperwork, and they know the issue of the car. But yeah, this is great. So I'm gonna go home. Thanks you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Have a good holiday if you are in the US and you're celebrating. And if you're not, well, go take your car out and have some fun tomorrow. Man, what a bumpy road.